Hello, I am Korita Chebira, a year one student at LIra University. Allow me present you the Ugandan Clean Cities Innovation. This is an innovation by LIra University students that's mainly aimed at solving the problem of plastic pollution in the country. Yes, so currently, leaders are gathered at Glasgow to discuss one of the most urgent issues of our time, which is climate change. Countries and continents around the world have already are already experiencing some of the worst effects of the climate change crisis. Plastic pollution has been a huge challenge and is still a huge challenge to most countries in the world. Uganda is no exception. Uganda produces about 600 metric tons of plastic on a daily basis, and only 6% of that plastic is recycled. So that means it leaves about 94% of the plastic unrecycled in the country. So one might ask, where does this plastic end up in? This plastic actually ends up in drainage systems within inner cities and towns in the country. And that's why we are experiencing severe floods in places like Boise, places like Kawempe, and other major areas in the country. So now the challenge to us is, what are we going to do? How are we going to collect these excessive amounts of plastic in the environment back into the value chain? Companies have tried, but with little achievement, with little success in it. What are we doing different? What are we doing to ensure that more of the plastic is actually recycled, is actually collected, recycled, and actually exported in the country? Ladies and gentlemen, allow me present to you the Ugandan Clean Cities application. This is an application that allows users to sell plastic online at very good prices. At the same time, it provides users with personalized information on what they need to do at individual levels to be part of the solution to plastic pollution in the country. And the most unique feature about this application is that it allows users to track the progress that they are making in terms of the amounts of plastic that they are collecting within the city on a monthly and on a yearly basis. So this is going to keep users more engaged in the collection of plastic in the country. So we believe that through this application, we'll be able to collect more plastic from the environment, we'll be able to recycle more plastic, we'll be able to export more plastic from the country, out of the country. Now, in 2020, Uganda earned about 28.5 million US dollars from the exportation of plastic waste. So that was about 40% of all the plastic that was produced in the country. So think about this. If this plastic is increased, if these exports are only increased by only even about 20%, that will bring in a huge returns in terms of revenue for the country. And this revenue will be put into ensuring that we become a plastic-free model country. We believe that Uganda can attain this, and we believe that with your support, we will be able to reach and hit this target. We know and we believe that this application is a solution to plastic pollution in the country. Thank you.